Can we just worship him? Zekada brosha. Zagada brosha. Look around, suddenly realize that you've been so good to me. Your mercy is everlasting, undeniable, and overall. Who am I that you are so mindful of? Who am I that you pick my calls when I call you? Who am I that you are so mindful of? Who am I that you hear my cries? The source of my strength, the strength of my life, my hope and my joy, my confidence. You are the source of my strength, oh God. Strength of my life, hey, my hope and my joy, hey, my confidence. We exalt you, God. We exalt. Oh, God. We exalt you, God. We exalt you. We exalt you. Can somebody worship him out there? Hallelujah. Fill this room with worship. He's our inspiration. He's the strength of our life. There's nothing we can do without you, oh